In the cantos together wend your way, drinking laurel and linden juice. Keep the scroll and scroll case carefully bound, for a trip to Parthia awaits. If you can help me raise the monument worthy of great Achilles' son, I'll have nothing to say otherwise. The memorial and its care will last until the world and earth end. Your stirring lines will have infused the everlasting noble themes, and Priam will have paid you well.
Long neglect has worn away half the sweet enchanting smile, time has turned the bloom to grey, mould and damp the face defile. But that lock of silky hair, still beneath the picture twined, tells what once those features were, paints their image on the mind. Fair the hand that traced that line, dearest, ever deem me true, swiftly flew the fingers fine when the pen that motto drew.